I'm going to show you exactly how to turn any text into a clean 3D design using Canva's built-in AI with a simple step-by-step method that helps you design fast and create eye-catching results even if you're a complete beginner. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. First, let's set up your canvas. Head over to your Canva account and on the left-hand panel, click Create. Choose any canvas size that matches your project, whether it's for a post, thumbnail, or design layout. Once your canvas loads, go to Text on the left-hand panel and add a heading or text box. Double-click on the text and type in your word or phrase. After typing your text, click anywhere outside the text box. Then click on the text again, but only once. You'll see a button called Ask Canva. Click on it and a prompt bar will appear. In the prompt bar, tell Canva exactly what you want. For example, turn this text into a 3D style with depth, soft shadows, and realistic lighting, making it bold, modern, and eye-catching. Then click the arrow to submit the prompt. Canva will instantly start generating your 3D text. Once it's done, click on the result and it will be placed directly onto your canvas. From here, you can customize it however you want. You can resize it, remove the background, adjust its position, or use it in any design you're working on. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it! Now you know exactly how to turn plain text into a 3D design using Canva AI in just a few easy steps. If you want more Canva tips, AI design tricks, and beginner-friendly tutorials, hit like and comment more Canva ideas, and I'll share my best ones with you. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.